Vscodium is a popular choice among developers who value open-source software and privacy. As a version of Visual Studio Code that removes telemetry, it allows developers to work without worrying about data being sent to Microsoft. This makes Vscodium a compelling option for those who work in environments with strict privacy requirements or who simply prefer to keep their development activities private. One of the advantages of Vscodium is its extensive support for extensions. Since it's based on Visual Studio Code, it can use the same vast library of extensions available for VS Code. This means you can customize your development environment to suit your specific needs, whether that means adding support for additional programming languages, integrating with version control systems, or enhancing your code editing capabilities with tools like linters and formatters. The open-source nature of Vscodium also means that the community can contribute to its development and improvement. This collaborative approach ensures that Vscodium remains up-to-date with the latest features and enhancements from the VS Code repository. It also means that any issues or bugs can be quickly identified and addressed by the community. For developers who are concerned about security, Vscodium offers peace of mind. By building the editor from source without telemetry, developers can be confident that their data is not being tracked or collected. Additionally, the open-source nature of Vscodium means that the code is transparent and can be audited for security vulnerabilities by anyone in the community. Another noteworthy aspect of Vscodium is its versatility. Whether you're a web developer, a data scientist, or a systems programmer, Vscodium can be tailored to fit your workflow. With its wide range of extensions and customizable settings, you can create an environment that enhances your productivity and makes coding more enjoyable. Vscodium's compatibility with multiple platforms, Windows, macOS, and Linux, ensures that developers can use it regardless of their operating system. This cross-platform support is essential for teams that work on diverse systems or for developers who switch between different operating systems. In addition to its powerful features, Vscodium has a strong focus on performance. It is designed to be lightweight and fast, making it an excellent choice for developers who need a responsive and efficient code editor. This performance focus ensures that Vscodium can handle large code bases and complex projects without slowing down. Vscodium also supports a range of programming languages out of the box, including JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, and more. This broad language support makes it a versatile tool for developers working on different types of projects. Additionally, with the help of extensions, you can add support for even more languages and frameworks. Finally, Vscodium's user-friendly interface and rich feature set make it a pleasure to